going, guys, and welcome to another issue of Paul's Garage. This is something I've wanted to do for a while. Unfortunately, I don't have any video footage of the restoration of my Jaguar XJC here. However, I do have a lot of photos which I took during the restoration. Now, the restoration was between December 2002 and April 2006. A lot of work went into it. Pretty much all my own. The only thing I didn't do was the final bodywork and the painting of the car. Everything else, from the front end to the back end, welding up all the rust holes, replacement panels, all that sort of stuff, I did myself. So sit back, grab a beer. It only goes for about 4 minutes. You know, there's not too many photos, but yeah. Hope you enjoy it. Righto guys, and that's all I've got. Photos that are worthy of putting into a video for my XJC. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it didn't take too long for you, or it wasn't too boring. But that's about it. So thanks for watching. If you've got any comments, stick them down below, as they like to do in all these videos. Subscribe, show the videos to your mates. Anyway, until the next time, that's it from Paul's Garage. See you later.